88 plus 65.
153.
153 plus 59.
212.
212 plus 73.
285.
See you every day, but you're 6 hours away. I got the worst of it.
Oscar,
What's up?
spent $347 in groceries this month.
Are you serious? We're gonna be flat broke by New Year's when you pile that on top of rent.
Relax, bro. I mean, your dad will cover it, right? Basically pays for this whole place.
Yeah, but he also got us that new AI assistant, so I don't know if he's gonna cover our bills for this month.
You don't care, he's rich.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
I mean, he's so rich, he lets us live in this house just because your family doesn't use it anymore. Plus, he only got the Sparrow because he works for them.
Touche. Hey, did we get the bills for this month yet?
No, it should be in the mail soon, though.
Did you get it?
Nah.
I'll go get it. Wait, Sparrow. How cold is it outside right now?
It is approximately 10 degrees Celsius.
That's pretty cold. Alec, you hear that?
Hey, Sparrow. TV on.
Hey, Alec, we still gotta get that HVAC system checked out. I've been saying this for months, man.
Alright. Hey, Sparrow. TV on. Man, I think this TV is broken.
Hey, where's my other shoe at?
Your what?
Where's my shoe?
I can't hear you.
My shoe!
Your car horn's going off.
Where's my other shoe?
Turn your horn off.
My shoe!
Your horn.
Shoe!
Horn.
Shoe!
Horn. Hey, Sparrow. Text Oscar's dad and tell him we need a new TV. You feeding the birds again?
I like the birds. I thought you weren't off work till 3.
It's 5 o'clock, man.
You just get home?
Yeah.
Why'd you just get home?
Boss made me work overtime, man.
Are you serious?
Hey, Sparrow. Turn the thermostat down by 2 degrees.
Hey, what's this?
It's just an ad we got in the mail. You can throw it away for the rest of them.
Where are they?
No, they're just over there.
Shoehorns. Hey, it's like they don't even know who they're marketing to. Shoehorns. Hey, are you working tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm working again, but if the boss makes me work overtime, I'm gonna kill him.
You back already?
Yup.
Is it already 3?
Nope. I got fired.
What?
Yup.
Why?
Because somebody made an anonymous tip that I was making threatening comments about one of the managers.
Did you?
No, bro.
Well, that's whack. What we got in the mail today?
Nothing. Just more ads. Throw them out.
Alright. Hey, wait! There's a TV deal here. And coupons for groceries.
Oh, really? Well, didn't you text your dad and tell him we needed groceries and a TV?
Wait a second. Come here for a sec.
What?
Haven't I been saying for months that we need somebody to check out the HVAC?
Yeah? We don't need shoehorns.
Shoe.
Horn.
Our information is being exploited and sold out to businesses and corporations. Somebody's listening to us.
Sparrow, lock all the doors.
Well, it's not the mailman. He doesn't come close enough to this house to even hear us.
What about the neighbors?
Maybe, but I don't think so. What about my dad?
No, I mean, I feel like he would buy the stuff, right? He wouldn't send us coupons. Could it be our friends?
We don't even have friends. The only thing that comes close to this house are the birds.
Hey, Sparrow, unlock the back door.
Where are you going?
Oh, it's supposed to rain tonight. We left the birdseed outside. Bring it in. Hey, you know, maybe it's the birds that are listening to us.
Yeah, right. Well, you ever hear about that conspiracy theory that the birds are just robots controlled by the government?
Yeah. But that's crazy.
People are crazy.
Right. I'm gonna take a nap. Is it my night to sleep in the bed?
Feels like it's always your night. Whatever. Fine.
See ya. Sparrow, basement lights on. I was thinking, what if the birds really are controlled by the government?
We can never prove that.
We could, if we killed one.
But I like the birds.
I know, but we gotta be sure. I mean, there's so much more they could exploit than our spending habits. Our credit card information, social security, even our voices and likeliness for the use of generative AI. That was weird. Anyway, I'm thinking the only way to be sure is to kill a bird and dissect it.
Okay.
Good night. Sparrow, basement lights off.
The surveillance birds conspiracy, or bird bots, suggests that some birds are used for secret government surveillance. The details of your marketing mishap all seem to point to the conclusion that the birds surrounding your home may be government drones. Here's what I found on the web.
I don't know, man. I'm getting kind of nervous. Hey, Sparrow? How do you poach a bird?
Here's a quick tutorial on how to poach a bird with a few household items. First, get a toy dart gun. Next, find something sharp.
You know, I think I like being unemployed.
Yeah. And I like birds.
Do you want your identity stolen? Do you want your life to become nothing more than a marketing statistic?
I guess not. But I'm still not convinced the birds are just robots.
Then why do they land on the power lines? To recharge? Hello? Our government is heinous. Our private lives are nothing but their big business.
I need a new jacket.
There's one.
Wait, Alec! Alec! Wait!
Shh. They could be listening right now.
Oh my god. What have we done? I like birds!
Alright, let's light it up.
Can we just not? I like the birds.
Hey, Sparrow. Play music for a funeral.
What are we complaining for? Life is good. Nice jacket.
The birds chirp and tweet in visceral agony and defeat. Oh, what's that noise you heard? It's just another bird. We've all turned into bots. You can't control your thoughts. What's the word? You're just another bird. They clipped your wings and laughed. Your agency's a thing of the past. What's that noise you heard? It's just another bird.